Breaking news. Data scientists aren't just number crunchers. Here's the shocking part. They use unbelievable skills that can change entire businesses. Data scientists are like detectives of the digital world. They don't just collect clues, they uncover hidden patterns that drive billion-dollar decisions. But that's not all. Their skills are reshaping industries worldwide. Imagine a chef who mixes ingredients to create new flavors. That's how data scientists blend math, coding, and storytelling. Here's the amazing part. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Tesla rely on them to predict customer behavior, optimize supply chains, and even train AI models. The hidden secret is communication. They must explain complex insights in simple words so everyone understands. But wait, there's a warning. Without strong ethics, data can be misused, leading to shocking risks like biased AI or privacy breaches. Now imagine this. A data scientist helping hospitals discover hidden disease patterns, or investors predicting market shifts before they happen. This revolution could completely change the future of decision-making. Next, data scientists may become powerful leaders, guiding companies with AI-driven strategies. This changes everything, from healthcare to finance. Data scientists aren't just analysts, they're powerful storytellers, turning hidden data into unbelievable opportunities. Which skill do you think will matter most for future data scientists? Coding, communication, or ethical decision-making? And why? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.